In this video, we will see how to fix Microsoft Office or Outlook error 5ATM1 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of Microsoft Office error, then for example, we will see how to fix this issue in Microsoft Word. Open Microsoft Word documents on your system and log out from Microsoft Office. Go to your profile icon from the top right corner and click on it and choose sign out. And after some times, again sign into your Microsoft Office account and check whether your Microsoft Office error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box and here type appwiz.cpl, appwiz.cpl. It will open program and features windows in control panel. Program and features in control panel window will now open. Here look for the Microsoft Office app. Simply select it. Microsoft Office Home and Student. Select it and click on change from the top menu bar. Click on change. First select Microsoft Office app and click on change. A pop-up window will appear. Click on essay and how would you like to repair Microsoft Office. Choose quick repair and finally click on repair and follow on screen instruction to complete the repairing of your Microsoft Office 365 in your system. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open Microsoft Word documents again and click on file from the top left corner and here click on more and choose account. Update your Microsoft Office. Here scroll down and you will find the option update option and click on update now. Click on update options and choose update now and let the window complete the updating process of Microsoft Office. After that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings from the left sidebar and go to right side and look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Thereafter here choose other troubleshooters and on the next page run network and internet troubleshooters. Sometimes network and internet may be a problem arising solution, so you must update with troubleshoot. The next workaround is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt windows, execute these two commands one by one. In command prompt windows, as shown on the screen, re-register Microsoft.AAD broker plugin. Execute these two commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time, and follow on screen instruction to re-register Microsoft.AAD broker plugin. So both these commands you must execute in command prompt windows one by one, followed by enter key on each time. After that, don't forget to restart your system and your Microsoft Office error definitely be resolved. That's all.